Water activities are fun and enjoyable, especially during hot days and family outings. However, water can be dangerous if safety rules are ignored. Every year, many accidents happen because of carelessness around water. Drowning can occur quickly and unexpectedly, but it is preventable. By following basic water safety rules, we can protect ourselves and others from harm. Always swim with a buddy or where a lifeguard is present. Having someone nearby can save your life during an emergency. Follow all posted safety signs and swim only in designated areas. Avoid diving into unfamiliar water. If someone is in trouble, call for help immediately. Alert a lifeguard or emergency services and use a flotation device if available. Following basic water safety rules can prevent drowning and save lives. Be responsible, stay alert, and make safety your priority.
Stay alert, stay safe, respect the water.
Stay alert!